I'm stirring up, Mama.
You making breakfast?
Yeah.
What else you making?
Eggs. That.
Well, what you got in there?
Is it bigger now?
No, it's not bigger yet. We're getting there though. What else you making, man? You getting it in?
Yeah.
Who you making it for?
For you.
You making it for me and you? Okay.
Make it for you and Uncle, and for me and for you and for me and Uncle Vanille.
And Uncle Vanille. Okay, that's what's up. Good breakfast before the big game today. Okay. Is it Rattler TV?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Don't get too heavy on it. All right. So we see y'all later.
Okay.